Today I'm walking you through the Harmony model here at the Applewood Reserve in Lakeland. One of the newest community with spacious home site and that features preservation views. All these homes, the good thing is that they all have 3-car garage and no CDD. And we're only 5 minutes away from the I-4, around 40 minutes from the Disney parks, around 5 miles from downtown Lakeland. And you could also find there nice restaurants, very nice bars, places that you can hang out with the family and friends. Now, what we're going to be seeing today is the Harmony model. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, like I mentioned from the beginning, and it is optional with the guest suite. Now, you do have a flex space, and it has a really nice cover lanai, and this square footage of this home is around 2,400 square feet. So follow me, and let's see if you definitely like this model. All right, guys, so to wrap it up, this is the Harmony model here at the Applewood Reserve by Maronda Homes. Now, the HOA here is around $1,000 a year. Now, you do not have CDD, which that's a great thing. And now, just so you can have an idea, the base price of this particular model, the Harmony model, you're currently starting at around $450,000. Now, that all is going to be depending on any upgrades that you do, if you wanted to add anything to the house. However, for something just like this, what you saw, you're getting it in around full 500s, low 500s. You will get a house just like you saw in this video with all the upgrades that I have. So if you're curious about any current incentives available or lots that they have now, if this also fits your budget and lifestyle, just my contact info is going to be below. Now, don't hesitate to give me a call. Definitely love to come and bring you here to show you in person. And then if you're just curious about the new constructions that is around here in Central Florida, don't forget to like and subscribe because more tours are coming in soon. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.